Freedom and responsibility are two aspects of the same coin. If you are not ready to feel responsible, you will never be free. A very heartfelt morning to everyone present here. This is Meenakshi Chaudhary standing before you to speak on the topic importance of freedom and responsibility. There is an intimate relationship between freedom and responsibility. I, you, and everybody loves freedom, but nobody wants responsibility, and they come together. In general term, freedom is like liberty, independence, and inequality. It is the power of choice that individuals have in society. Freedom and responsibility go hand in hand. Okay, what will happen if we have freedom but no responsibility? Our constitution says about rights and liberties to the individual. On the other side, being a citizen of India, some of our moral responsibilities and duties mentioned in the constitution. Freedom and responsibility play an important role in social process. Someone said that a hero is someone who understands the responsibility that comes with his freedom. To promote patriotism and strengthen the unity of India, it becomes important to maintain coordination between freedom and responsibilities. Sometimes we enjoy freedom but ignore responsibilities. For the growth of a democratic country like India, it is necessary that we follow our duties and responsibilities as a citizen of India and respect the integrity and promotion of cultural harmony in the country. Thank you and have a nice day.